In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a message, choosing the right reply option, and sending a clear, polished response. Start by opening your web browser and heading to yahoo.com. In the top right corner, select Sign In and enter your account details. If prompted to verify your identity, follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, look for the envelope icon at the top right. This is the mail icon. Click it to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, check the left-hand sidebar and click Inbox to make sure you're viewing your incoming messages. You'll see a list of emails in the center. Find the message you want to respond to, then click it to open the full conversation view. At the top of the open email, look for the curved left arrow. That's the reply button. Nearby, you may also see Reply All, often shown with 2 arrows. Use Reply to respond only to the original sender. Choose Reply All when everyone on the thread needs your response. If the email went to a group, think about whether your update is relevant to all recipients before selecting Reply All. Making the right choice keeps inboxes tidy and avoids unnecessary notifications. Click the option you need, and a reply editor will appear with the original message quoted below. Place your cursor in the message area and type your response. Keep it focused and helpful. Answer the sender's questions directly, confirm any details like dates or next steps, and keep your tone professional and friendly. Short paragraphs make your message easier to scan. If you need emphasis or clarity, you can use the formatting tools in the editor, such as bold for key items or links for references, without overdoing it. If the subject line no longer reflects the conversation, you can adjust it, though leaving it unchanged helps keep the thread organized. If you use an email signature, Yahoo will attach it automatically. Before you send, take a moment to review. Double check spelling, make sure the recipients shown are the ones you intend, and trim any quoted text that isn't necessary so your reply stays concise. Yahoo Mail typically autosaves drafts, so if you need to step away, your work should be preserved. When everything looks good, click send. You'll see a brief confirmation and your message will appear in your sent folder. That's it. Opening your inbox, choosing the correct reply option, writing a clear response, and sending it off is all you need to reply effectively in Yahoo Mail.